Welcome, guys. We are going on to week 3, and what we're going to be doing in Accelerated for week 3 is we're going to finish up the polynomials. So we're going to be doing, first of all, we're going to have a quiz. So I'm going to have a review on exponent rules, adding and subtracting polynomials, and I will post that on It's Learning. Then we'll have a quiz. Then I'm going to go over multiplying and dividing polynomials, and then we're going to start talking about radicals. So that will be the plan for this week. I will have the work for you posted hopefully by Sunday night. So if you wanted to get a start checking on Sunday. And again, it will be due by Friday. Okay, and what I would like you to do is I'm getting a lot of messages from you. I have 2 classes. I have an algebra class and I have an accelerated. So if you are going to message me on It's Learning, can you just tell me, hey, I'm in accelerated class. Just put that next to your name. Just put maybe like ACC, and then you can ask me the question. So I'll know where to look, because I have a lot of kids in different classes, and you guys are going to be going at a quicker pace than my algebra class, so I'm going to need to know who I'm talking to, what class they're in. Okay? I'll probably have a help session before the quiz, so if you don't want to take the quiz yet, wait, and I think we'll have the help session either Tuesday or Wednesday. I will also post that on It's Learning. All right? Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.